After learning this trick, I have never had deodorant stains on my clothes. Very few people know this trick, which I will show you today. Once you learn it, I guarantee you will be amazed, and no one in your family will ever have yellowish deodorant stains on their clothes again. But that's not all. I will also share another super trick that will help you prepare homemade deodorant for emergencies when you run out. Pay close attention because the good part starts now. Welcome to Jennifer's Tips. I invite you to subscribe to the channel and activate notifications to be the first to receive our tips. First, I will show you the trick to prepare homemade deodorant. Recently, my husband ran out of deodorant and we had to go out in an emergency. The maid taught me this wonderful trick. Here, I have a container. We take a tablespoon of baking soda and pour it in. Depending on the amount you want to prepare, you can add more tablespoons. Next, we take the scented cream you usually use on your body and add about 2 tablespoons. If you don't have scented cream, you can use a neutral one. Now, we mix them until they are fully integrated. This is very easy and quick to prepare, as almost everyone has these ingredients at home. The best part is that it doesn't stain clothes yellow. Let me demonstrate on my husband. I'm going to take some and apply it to his armpit. This homemade deodorant is very effective. You can use it on days when you have to go out and don't have deodorant available at home. It is also recommended for those who, for some reason, do not like to use conventional deodorants. Now, let's move on to today's special tip. Here, I have a white t-shirt from a neighbor, and as you can see, the underarms have turned yellow. The deodorant buildup has made it really hard. My neighbor was about to throw it away when I asked him to try this trick. If you have clothes like this tip will be very helpful. To start, take a medium-sized container and add a tablespoon of washing powder. The amount will vary depending on the quantity of clothing you're treating. Now, add 100 milliliters of very hot water. Next, add 2 caps of 40 volume hydrogen peroxide. I always send greetings at the end of the videos, so let me know which city you're watching from to send you a special greeting in our next videos. Squeeze the juice of a medium-sized lemon and add 2 tablespoons of dishwashing liquid. Mix everything well until fully integrated. Let me know any tips or tricks you'd like us to cover on the channel. I always read your suggestions. Now, it's time to treat our stained shirt. Submerge the stained part completely in the deodorant mixture. Let it sit for 20 minutes to take effect. The time is up, and now let's test how well this trick works. The next step is to scrub the stain. You'll notice it comes off easily, leaving the clothes clean and soft. The best part is that this works for any fabric type and color. It doesn't damage clothes or fade the color. Which of these 2 tricks did you find the coolest? If you found them interesting, please share with someone who might find them helpful. Today's greetings go to Verlincia Moore from Texas and Trina Walker from Florida. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to receive more similar tips, please leave this comment below. I want more tips. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to be the first to receive our tips.